Hello, today we will guide you through how to create a quote in HubSpot. To begin, open HubSpot and make sure you are on the main home screen. This is the starting point for accessing the tools you need, and from here you can navigate to the quoting area quickly and easily. Once you are on the home page, move your mouse over the revenue option in the left-hand navigation menu. You do not need to click right away if the menu expands on hover. Just position your cursor over revenue so the related options appear. This section is where HubSpot groups tools connected to sales and payment-related activities, including quotes. When the revenue menu opens, click on Quotes. This will take you to the Quotes area, where you can view existing quotes and begin creating a new one. If you have created quotes before, you may see a list here. If not, that is completely fine. You will still be able to continue with the process. Next, click on Create Quote. This opens the quote creation flow, where HubSpot will prompt you to enter the required information. At this stage, take a moment to review the fields on the page so you understand what needs to be completed before moving forward. Now enter the needed data. Be sure to fill in all the required details carefully and accurately. This information is important because it determines what appears on the final quote. Take your time here to confirm that the quote details are complete and correct before you continue. A good tip is to double-check the values you enter, especially anything customer-facing, since this helps avoid revisions later. After you have finished entering the necessary information, click on Create Quote once again to complete the process. HubSpot will then generate the quote based on the details you provided. At this point, your quote should be successfully created and ready for the next step in your workflow. If anything does not look right, it is always a good idea to go back and review the information before sharing it. That's it for creating a quote in HubSpot. As you can see, the process is straightforward. Start from the home page, go to Revenue, open Quotes, select Create Quote, enter the required data, and then finalize it by clicking Create Quote. Following these steps carefully will help ensure your quote is created smoothly and accurately.